Wow, my people, Dancehall skilla there again, you know. Big up, respect and manners to each and everyone. Yeah, I want to talk to you about two videos that I saw on social media that shows some things that happened during a hostile situation. And I'm going to leave at least one of those videos with you at the end of this video, alright? But we just want to talk about the whole situation I'm seeing at them two videos, the viewers and subscribers. So I say, and you know, more have said that sometimes when they see some people and take them simple, think again, see?
So, I see a video on social media that shows when a person go inside of a public transportation motor vehicle. And I'm talking about a public transportation motor vehicle that some people call the coaster bus in a Jamaica. In the same video that I saw that shows when the man go inside of the public transportation motor vehicle, me hear when someone said, "Him no have no fear." I assume that the person I say, him no have no bus fear. That's what me assume. So me I say, and sometimes doctor and driver no depend that. Now the same video show when the bus stopping on my people, and then me see someone go right at the door of the motor vehicle. Now that person, you know, somewhat walk from the front of the bus and come to the door where passengers would enter that bus from, or enter the public transportation motor vehicle from. And it seems as if some form of confrontation developed between the man who got inside of the public transportation motor vehicle and the person who was standing at the door. And then at some point, me see where that person hold the man by a part of his body and drag him out of the bus, my people. And that's where everything get crazy, because at one point a part of the video shows the man who was dragged out of the bus holding a knife. If you look on your screen, you can see a screenshot of what I'm talking about. Tell me if that look like a knife to you. See? But in the done this, so the video where me see shows when the man swing that object at the man will pull him from out of the bus. And the man start move jittery. The man a move jittery with the object in my people. You see me I say? Now I don't know if the object hit the person of your subscribers. I don't have any confirmed information to determine if anyone got injured because of the whole situation. And then in my point of view, the situation turned into a situation where more than one persons was acting as if they wanted to hurt the person who was holding the object that I think is a knife. I understand the viewers and subscribers. And then you start your different persons start to say some words in the video. But what are my people? You not done yet, you know. The next video when me say my people, the situation seems even more hostile. Me see somebody grab a big object in the video to my people. I don't know what that. I doubt if that person can fling that way and take up. You understand? But the person hold it with the intention to hurt that person who swing the object off of the man. Him man lift up sitting a big object in our people. I just don't know what that. I don't know what for call of what that the person lift up. See? And it not done this so. The man who was holding an object that I think is a knife, at some point hold on to an even bigger object that I think is a machete. And that person hit the bus or the public transportation motor vehicle with that object that I think is a machete. In my point of view, I choppy bus with it. I think he chopped the bus with the machete, viewers and subscribers. See me I say? So me start to wonder to myself, how will this man I get them there can I sit and walk up and down with my people? In my point of view, at least one object was thrown. Viewers and subscribers, it's like me I watch the video and it's like everything I move fast to me in my point of view, see? But in the video me hear when at least one person said some words that gave me the understanding that that person said that a motor vehicle had been hit. See me I say? Can't tell her what hit it or what really happened. But that's the understanding I get. My people, the situation really and truly hostile. Now one of the reasons why I talk about the situation is because me no like violence. I'm just try to say to each and every one that, you know, violence is not the answer. See? Now another reason why I talk about the situation is because the situation itself and more than one pieces of videos are being talked about on social media about this whole situation. See? And what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave one of those videos that I saw with you, my viewers and subscribers, so that you can have a better understanding about the situation. See? Now, before I leave this video with you, I want you to please bear in mind that this video shows a really hostile situation. See? This video, in my point of view, shows more than one person's trying to hurt one person, and it seems as if the other person would have hurt any of those persons, because me see one object that looked like a knife that the person was holding, and then me see another object that looked like a machete that the person was holding.
All of this happened at the public, you know, my people. You know what I say? And then the man them there all over the place, from behind of the bus to in front of the bus, and it's like then they're all over the place, right on the road, you know, viewers and subscribers.
So I want you to take a look at this video and tell me what you think. See me? You can also tell me what would be the best way for those persons to resolve their issues. You can also tell me who you think might be right from who you think might be wrong, based on what I told you and what you are about to see and hear in this piece of video. Now, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Big up and respect to each and every one. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up. Now, here's the video. Look, listen, observe, and tell me what you think.
Come on! The police are not forward.